Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 20 where 21 student face record from database using paginate and this tuition class in Laravel 12. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Call and WhatsApp 919941599815. This is my number and this is any time contact, so please available. I am 24/7 anytime I am available. Please send this WhatsApp message and this is the paid service, not a free number. First of all, this is my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this project is available. This is my htdoc inside this project directory and this is already run. Let's step by step. This is a face record and this is a table is available. This is a table, student table. Click the student. Click the student. Successfully the student table is a blank is a available. Let's click this insert inside. This is a one student name is a Zohan and this email account gmail.com. This is a phone number is a this is a demo number is a this is a demo number. This address in code colony. This is the address and this is the date. This is a birth date. This is a registration date and this updated date. And click this save and go button. Click the successfully record is a one record is a created. All good. This is a record is a created and this is a inside. This is a show this record in this table. Inside this record is a show. First of all, this is a URL is a copy. This is a copy and route inside. This is a web.php file. Open this file and successfully this route is available. This is a route and student controller inside this index function is available. Student controller app http controller and student controller. Successfully this is the index file is available. Resource view admin student and this is the index file. Successfully this is the index file is available. This is id, name, email, phone number, address, date of birth, registration, and this is a successfully this is a blank not available. Let's step by step implementation. But this is a model inside. This is a student model is available. This is a model and this model inside this is already included. Let's model inside this one function is a create. This is a one function is a create model inside. This is a student table is a this table student table. Let's this new function is a create static public function get record. This function is a create dollar return is equal to self select this table name is this table dot order by id descending and this paginate and this is a paginate is a 20 record. Return dollar return same name is a copy and paste here. Save file and this is a copy and this is a paste here and this is the same name is a copy and paste here. Successfully close this. Dollar data and this is the same name is a get record and this data is a pass here. The same name copy and paste here. Dollar data pass here. Save file. Successfully pass here. Let's same name copy and this is a file inside. This is a forest loop is a start forest and this is a paste here. This is a paste here dash dollar value and end forest. Successfully forest and this is the inside, this is a tr and td. Same name, copy and paste here. This is a paste here. Dollar value id, save file, and I refresh this page. This is a 1 is a show, good working. This is a 1. Next is a name is a available. This is a name, same name is a copy and paste here name. Save file and I refresh this page. Successfully this is a name is a available. Next is the email. This is the email. Save file email and I refresh this page. This is the email. Next is available phone, address and bio date. This is the address. This is a phone number inside. This is the address. Phone address. Next is a address. D M Y str2 time. str2 time, and this is the date of. Successfully set, all good. This is the working fine. This is the date is available. This is the date, all good. Let's the registration date, same date, copy, and this is a registration date. NTD, save file. Successfully working fine, and this is the action is a blank, not available. This is the action is a blank. This is a face recording. This is a database record is a face record. Let's again this copy, and this name is a Alex. This is a Alex. This is at colony, and this different date is available. This registration is available. This and go button, click this and refresh this page. 100% is available. This is a second record, 1 and 2, and this is a record is available 1 and 2. 1 2 inside this is available 1 2. This is a descending order. This is a ascending. So this is a ascending is a same here inside. This is 1 and 2, same 1 and 2, and this is a descending. So this is a latest one is a top bar. This is a latest, ascending, descending. This is a paginate is a record is a get the same paginate in this. The video is already include this paginate record is a get inside this only one record. So this is only one show. This is only one show means first record is a show, means second record is a, this is a descending, ascending. Let us say ascending. This is a ascending record. This is one record, and this is only two record is a not a show. Let's two record is a show. But first of all, this is inside this pagination is a implementation. Save 6 and refresh this page, and this is not a good. Let's inside this table, inside this is a save file and refresh this page, and this is inside this pagination is a implementation. Let's pagination is a implementation. Pagination is implementation. Get record, append, this is a link is a set page link. this is a page link is a set. This link links save file. Link save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully pagination set, but is a big font. This is a very big issue. Let's first of all, this is open inside this is a provider inside this app service provider. Inside this is a one number line is a include this paginate. This is a use paginate. This paginate is a use, and paginate is a bootstrap use. This pagination is a bootstrap use. Successfully this one line, and this is only one line is a implementation. This is all good. Let's refresh this page. This is a good. This is a one record is available. Let's click the second record. 100% inside this available. This is good working. This pagination is a successfully working fine. This is a good, all good. And this pagination is a remove the only 20 record. After pagination is automatically show this 20 record, and this pagination is automatically show. This is a 2 record, and this is automatically hide. 20 record show after automatically pagination is a show. All good. And this is any doubt, the please contact errorsolutioncode.com. We are help to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is a error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. This is all good, all successfully set. Please write down. This is only simple when this model inside this function is a create, and this is the step by step. This is only simple way is a create. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.